Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of November. Pisces, we're going into your family tree tarot spread. Your channel messages, 3 of Swords, aliens. So something is heartbreaking. I don't know if you're heartbreaking to discover that aliens exist. But I pulled the 3 of Swords and I got alien. So are you planning to hurt the alien, Pisces? You're planning to betray the alien. You're giving the alien over to fucking United Nations. That's what the fuck you're doing. You had the alien in captive, telling the fucking government that the alien was a dog, like Lilo and fucking Stitch, right? But I'm getting Pisces, you betrayed an alien. That wasn't human. That was alien. You just betrayed that. Or maybe you find the alien again, you try to protect it. So I'm getting government's like, no, this belongs to us, sweetie. Sweetie, you guys want to fight us about the abortion ban, my body, my choice. Well, sweetie, our government, our universe, our alien. Let's go ahead and go into your family tree spread. Let's go. I hate it. I'm trying to you. I don't understand. Okay. What is the blessing of your female line? The Page of Pentacles. So all of the female graduated high school. Maybe all of the females went to college. I'm getting all I want to actually have careers. They're not just work people who had careers. Okay, that's a blessing and completed studies. Or you guys are all literate. Okay, and have credentials. What is the curse for the females? The King of Pentacles. This could be over. Why would that be a curse? Well, the Page of Pentacles look like a guy. The King of Pentacles look like a guy. So do the females look like men? Or I'm getting the females are the one who are the breadwinners in the family. Them are the one who go to school, them study, them work. I'm getting the females are being, so I'm getting in your family line, Pisces, you train the female them to be the man. The females are going to be the breadwinners. What is the blessing for the men in your family? And that, yeah, the men them always stress the fuck out though, but why is that a blessing? Maybe them stress out with doing things in the house, literally manual labor, but them not stressed out making money. Or maybe the men are stressed the fuck out because all the girls in the family have a lot of money. How you think Rob Kardashian feel? Because him couldn't take off him clothes and build an empire. Him couldn't do makeup. But all the girls could marketing them shit, whether it was flat tummy tea, Kylie Jenner lip kit, Kardashian skims, the vegan thing. What could Rob Kardashian capitalize on? Which men were saying, yeah, we love the Kardashian male. So I'm getting the girls are the breadwinner. And I remember when I was younger, Kim was like, you do everything for Rob. You pay for everything. Rob's supposed to get every blood clot thing paid for him. I'm the only boy. He is Robert's son. That's the first thing. Second thing, him have blood clot for sister. And I'm just saying, you kind of put him in a situation to see his sisters see on big screen. So, him not supposed to work. Him stressed the fuck out. Where you want him work? Welcome to Chelly's. Where you want Rob Kardashian blood clot though? Where you want him though? The little sister, she's a billionaire, she have her baby great. But she's a lip kit. The other one, though, these are the workout thing, and she have a little reality TV show. Okay, great. But what was Rob to do? Him for turn gym junkie? When for turn? When for do? He's supposed to get everything paid for him. He at least, and that is the good thing for Rob. Him not have to sell him soul. Everybody else can. Cause him are the boy. So any girl him get pregnant, guess what? She's going to be a Kardashian. Rob is the only one who passed on the Kardashian name. Have we forgotten? Kim Kardashian kid's name Wes. Courtney kid's name Disick. And Chloe kid named Thompson, right? Thompson. Okay, what the fuck else? Kylie Owen. Sorry, right? Okay, who else? The other one that have baby yet. Okay, none of them are Kardashians. Dream Kardashian, Black China, daughter, and Rob kid. She's only now a Kardashian. She only have a Kardashian name. There's no other offspring that is Kardashian. She carried the Kardashian line. And when she get married, it's ever done this so. Cause the baby ever get the man last name. Rob isn't supposed to work. Rob gets it. Rob has it easy. Rob's supposed to have it easy. He's the older brother, or him had the baby for the family. Great. So all of the sisters them can protect him. He's not supposed to work. Him going to be stressed out about him sisters. People are stressing about him sister them. Hey Rob, when are you gonna get Kim to do a video with me? Man, I told you nigga, I ain't fucking with you. Hey Rob, how do you feel about Ray J and your sister? Man, Ray J can go kiss my motherfucking ass and fuck all y'all niggas. Hey Rob, right? Him out get harassed every day. Him have 4 famous sister. Him don't need to be out there trying to hustle and muscle and work. What you want to do? Turn rap career? Man, she's such a fucking hoe. I love it. What the fuck you want Rob though? Him supposed to can hide him face. Him stressed the fuck out with people. So the sisters have to, you have to give money. Him have to get out to everybody. Hush, that's how it go. That's how it go. Hush. But that's it. That's your strength. So you have to deal with depression, you have to deal with all of these things that comes around having sisters as famous. But guess what, sir? You don't have to work. Ever. The devil card, hush. You get to capitalize off of your sister them downfall. Your sister them is the breadwinners. You don't work. And somebody might say, yo, you broke, you lazy, you just spongy, you never have a career, I don't need to have one. I am the male born, I carry on the last name. Rob. So even though your sister is a lawyer, I am overthrowing Kim Kardashian's case, and I'm coming into the case to say that Kim, Rob don't have to work. He's a boy. And if him got to work, they're gonna torment him about the things that you do. That's just how it goes. I'm sorry. That's how it goes when you get the last name. That's why it's all about your last name, man. I hear people say it's not about what you know, it's who you know. My mother always tell me, it's not about who you know or who know you. Because you know celebrities, do they know you? Exactly. So tell me, why are you desperate? Let us see what your mother's side taught you. Them taught you how to defend yourself, how to defend your assets. Them teach you don't make nobody friend you for trying to take away anything you work hard for. So me getting on don't even keep friend. Maybe all the sisters them are friends. But me getting on don't play with money. And don't mix business and pleasure even if you don't have boyfriends, and do not do it. What did your father teach you? The Wheel of Fortune. Your father teach you that everything will catch up to you. So even if you do something 10 years ago, it will come out. Because I'm pretty sure that Kim said that she would have been very embarrassed for her father to see the sex video. Okay, you had a brother. He saw it. Rob Kardashian, a name after Rob Kardashian. That's your father. Even though he's your brother, he's your father. He saw it. You cannot tell me you miss your father. You treat your brother terrible, Kim. And Chloe. He only like Courtney. No, he only like Chloe. Courtney kind of harsh with him. Kim cussed him the fuck out. Him only like. That's why True and Dream is such good friends. Cause Rob only like Chloe. Cause Chloe will be like, okay, fine, I'll pay for things for him. But I'm telling you, all the sisters have to give him money. Him is the only boy. That's how the cookie crumbles. That's how it's not me. It's industry. That's just how industry comes. Sorry. Anyways, let's see what your ancestors are saying now, and that's it. And men in the future, sometimes you see their sister them do something and them older than you, and because them give up hope with man, and because them don't want to get married, them don't want this dream of having a man to provide for them. So them sell them, see, to make sure say them brother can drive the hottest car to school, them brother will have the latest technology. And you might say, but sis, that ain't worth it. You see, you humiliating yourself and you making people bicker at me on the street because all they do is sell pussy. Yes. This is true, it's not fair to you. But at the same time, when you are older, you will learn what it is to make your own decisions. And your decisions may not enable you to sell pussy, but it might enable you to cheat on your wife or commit murder. But everybody's sin is for their own. So you do not judge somebody for sacrificing themselves to give you a better life. Let's see what this cards say. That's it. We have initiation ritual. Your channel message was Pisces, 3 of Swords, aliens. We can get my OLG letter when you know, please. Please, we can get my money, please. Please. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.